How to record screen on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can record your screen on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to record your screen on iPhone, basically the thing over here it means is that before you try to swipe right and look for the recording icon, you need to make sure they're added to your control center first. So open up your settings app and go to control center and make sure that screen recording is included in the included controls. If not, you can add them from here. Now after you've done that, to begin your recording, swipe down from the top right and long press the screen recording app icon, and then here you want to make sure to turn on microphone if you also want to record your voice. If you only want to record the device audio, you can leave this turned off. If you want to record your voice, you can turn it on and tap on start recording to begin the recording, and then your screen recording will get successfully started. This way you can record screen on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.